Hey folks, are you struggling to create professional academic research diagrams? Complex research concepts are hard to visualize, and design tools, they eat up your precious research time. But what if you could transform your research into stunning, publication-ready diagrams in minutes? Introducing the game-changing combo, Answer This plus Nano Banana. Answer This analyzes your research and generates the perfect diagram structure. Then, Nano Banana brings it to life with beautiful AI-powered visuals. Two tools, one revolutionary workflow. Let's dive in and see how this workflow works.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
First, let's hit the provider link available in the video description. It will take us to the official site. Answer This AI is an innovative artificial intelligence tool specifically designed for academic research. It searches and retrieves papers and evidence from a comprehensive database containing over 300 million academic papers. So let's begin by logging in using our credentials. Once logged in, you'll see the main interface. Answer This AI offers multiple functionalities, including generating literature reviews, finding research gaps, data analysis, and creating diagrams and visualizations. Additionally, it features popular tools such as Chat with PDF, AI Writer, data extraction capabilities, and many more. For today's demonstration, I will ask Answer This AI to create a comprehensive flowchart of the research methodology process. Now, using Answer This AI for this purpose is a wise decision because this platform has been specifically developed and tailored for academic research. While other AI tools might not deliver optimal results for scholarly work, Answer This AI is purpose-built for research applications. So always consider using Answer This AI for your research-related tasks. Once you input your prompt, press Enter, and the AI will begin processing. Within a few seconds, you'll receive a comprehensive response. The system discusses various research methodologies, and on the right side, you can see that it has referenced 98 different academic papers to extract key information relevant to our area of interest. These academic papers are peer-reviewed sources which you can access with a single click. Once the initial process is complete, you'll notice that Answer This AI has created a flowchart. However, to make it more visually stunning and detailed, let's enhance it using Google Gemini. Navigate to Gemini and select Create Image from the Tools menu. We'll ask Gemini to create a comprehensive flowchart that visualizes the systematic process researchers follow when conducting a scientific study. After inputting this prompt, instruct Gemini to use the detailed information provided. To do this, return to Answer This AI and copy the entire manuscript generated by the platform. Paste this content within quotation marks in your Gemini prompt. Once you've set your preferences, press Enter, and Gemini will begin processing. After a few moments, the enhanced flowchart will be created. You can then copy, share, or download the image with just a few clicks. Now, let me walk you through the comprehensive flowchart we've generated. As you can see, it contains 3 distinct phases. Phase 1, the initial phase. This includes research problem identification, followed by literature review and theoretical framework development. This is then followed by research questions and hypothesis formulation. Phase 2, research design. Here, we need to align with research questions and objectives. Under the methodologies, you can see we can choose from 3 different approaches. These include quantitative methods, qualitative methods, and mixed methods. Further, this is followed by sampling strategy and sample size determination. Then we need to seek ethical approval and informed consent. Phase 3, Data Collection and Analysis. This is about data collection. We can use various instruments and techniques. Once the data is collected, then comes data processing and cleaning. After that, we will analyze the data. For quantitative analysis, there are different methods that will be used. Once you are done with your data analysis, then comes the interpretation of findings. Once it's interpreted, here comes the dissemination output phase. Phase 4, Dissemination. This is followed by research reports, academic papers, and presentations. So this is overall a comprehensive research diagram that demonstrates the research methodology process. This has been created using the power of AnswerThis AI for research-related information and Google Gemini for advanced diagramming and visualization. In this way, following the same method, you can generate various diagrams for your research methodology. You can see this is quite comprehensive and the best way to get your work done efficiently. Start creating your research diagrams today. The link is provided in the description below. Try it out and share your thoughts in the comment section. Besides, don't forget to subscribe for more research-related content.